Welcome back to the broadcast. This is Newsline. In business tonight, the suspension of the minimum tax has granted a temporary reprieve for businesses across the country who had feared that the new tax would escalate the cost of doing business. Though the Kenya Revenue Authority has vowed to abide by the court's ruling, it has also sought for an early hearing to determine the matter. So what exactly is at stake for the taxman and for business owners? KTN's Brian George Otieno reports.
The minimum tax is a tax that was introduced together with the digital service tax in the Finance Bill of 2020. Though the government had argued that the tax is meant to rope in businesses evading tax, business owners contend that the new tax will in essence overburden compliant taxpayers at a time when they face economic uncertainty. Conservatory orders issued by the High Court sitting in Machakos came just a day before businesses were set to begin to remit and file returns on the new tax.
It was really our view that as government we should adopt a no-harm principle so that as far as possible we keep our policy and regulatory environment as stable as possible during this period to enable businesses to weather the storm. We're also concerned about the wording and some of the areas regarding the minimum tax, and these have been discussed with both the National Treasury, the Kenya Revenue Authority, and even the legislature.
KRA has already indicated that all taxes that have already been filed as part of the minimum tax will be created as part of taxes paid on the accounts of individual businesses. This means that should the court rule to eliminate the tax, the amounts paid will be redirected to meet their other tax obligations. However, should the court rule to retain the tax, businesses will be required to remit the taxes backdated to January this year.
We are keen to see how taxation can be used to spur production and also ensure that we are having an equitable tax base that widens the tax base and doesn't give the burden to certain taxpayers. And that is something that we continue to advocate for. We are also very keen to see that our taxation is taxation that does not become punitive to certain sectors of the economy.
For now, all businesses can do is enjoy the temporary relief as they await the hearings to begin on 19th of May 2021. Brian George Otieno, KTN News.
In a move to boost the financial sector in the country, online trading firm EGM Securities has become Kenya's first online trading broker to offer derivative contracts.